Most field service management software was built around a simple journey. Call comes in, tech gets dispatched, invoice goes out. That works fine when you're scheduling residential calls, but if your operation runs commercial accounts, that simple process breaks down fast. In this video, we'll break down what separates commercial FSM software from generic field service tools, and we'll spotlight today's sponsor, BuildOps, as an example of what great looks like. Let's dive in. What to look for in commercial FSM software. Here are several capabilities of commercial FSM software that consistently matter most. Asset management with full service history. Commercial clients have assets, RTUs, chillers, electrical panels, suppression systems, and those assets need records. The best commercial FSM platforms maintain asset profiles for every unit, specs, install date, warranty, and every service visit tied to it. For commercial contractors, that asset base often spans multiple properties and job sites under the same client. So the platform needs to organize and surface that history at the asset level, the site level, and the account level. Techs should be able to pull that history before they open a panel, not after they've already started troubleshooting. Smart scheduling and dispatch. Commercial dispatching isn't just about who's available. It's about matching the right technician to the job based on certification, skill set, and proximity, and doing it across a board that may have dozens of open jobs at once. Scheduling with real-time technician visibility reduces back and forth and gets the right person on site faster. Gated work order closeout. In commercial work, incomplete closeouts are a billing problem. The best platforms enforce a defined workflow. Photos attached, inventory log, customer signature collected, before a job can be marked complete and pushed to invoicing. Preventative maintenance and agreement management. Recurring maintenance contracts are the foundation of commercial service revenue, but they're only profitable if the work actually gets scheduled, completed, and billed consistently. Commercial FSM software should automate PM scheduling against agreement terms, flag deficiencies that generate quoted work, and track completion rates across your entire customer base. Real-time financial visibility. In commercial service, the gap between field activity and invoicing is where margin disappears. Parts used, labor hours, and subcontract costs need to tie back to the job record in real time, not at month-end reconciliation. The strongest platforms connect purchasing and inventory to job costing, so owners can see profitability per job, per client, and per tech without manual number crunching. Spotlight on BuildOps, commercial FSM software built from the ground up. BuildOps is a commercial field service management platform used by more than 1,500 contractors across North America. It was built specifically for commercial complexity, not adapted from a residential tool first, serving HVAC, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire and life safety, refrigeration operations, and more. Here are several areas where BuildOps stands out as commercial FSM software. Asset management. BuildOps structures asset records at the site and account level, so a commercial contractor managing dozens of properties for the same client can navigate from account to site to individual unit without losing context. Every asset profile carries its full service history, specs, and warranty data, and Ops AI for service extends this further. Technicians photograph an equipment nameplate in the field, and OCR auto-populates the asset record on the spot. That means records stay accurate even when the crews are moving fast. Scheduling and dispatch built for volume. The BuildOps dispatch board gives coordinators a real-time view of technician availability, location, certifications, and current workload. Jobs can be assigned, rescheduled, shortened, or extended with drag and drop controls. Ops AI for field helps optimize the board further, briefing foremen before crews arrive and surfacing the right tech match based on job requirements, not just availability. Gated work order closeout. BuildOps sequences closeout as a series of enforced steps. Photos, parts, equipment updates, signature, that the technician moves through before a job can be marked complete. Each gate is configurable to match what your business actually requires. The practical result? By the time a job closes in the field, the invoice is ready to generate. No office cleanup pass, no chasing missing information after the fact. Preventative maintenance that turns agreements into revenue. BuildOps automates PM scheduling against active agreements and flags deficiency findings as quoted work, turning maintenance visits into a systemic source of follow-on revenue rather than a cost center. Agreement cutover is also handled during implementation, so active maintenance contracts migrate without interruption to scheduling or billing. Financial connectivity from field to invoice. BuildOps connects time tracking, purchasing, inventory, and invoicing in one system, with integrations to QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, Vista, and Spectrum. Omnia Mechanical Group reduced their accounts receivable cycle from 120 days to 30 after implementing BuildOps. Ravine Group attributed a meaningful reduction in billing lag to the Sage Intacct integration. In summary, BuildOps is a strong fit if you run commercial field services across HVAC, electrical, plumbing, fire safety, refrigeration, or related industries. You manage preventative maintenance agreements alongside reactive service work. You need asset-level records and gated closeout workflows for commercial clients. You're losing time and margin to data entry, incomplete closeouts, or slow invoicing. You want AI embedded in dispatch, service, and finance, not added as a bolt-on. For commercial service contractors managing real job volume, recurring agreements, and clients who demand documentation, BuildOps is one of the most complete commercial FSM platforms available today. To see how BuildOps compares to other commercial FSM solutions and whether it's the right fit for your operation, book a demo through the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.